Hello friends, my name is Milan Komaria. I'm a corporate trainer and consultant with more than 10 years of experience. You can think of me as your organizing mentor. I help professionals and teams organize their money, work, and life. Today I'm going to talk about money, and of course, the topic I've taken is lump sum versus SIP. It is a common notion that SIP always performs better than lump sum. I have my thoughts otherwise. Let me prove it to you with some historical data. I've taken data from recent past because year 2020 is still fresh in our memories, and I think it might stay in our memories for long, of course. Okay, but yeah, here's the point I want to make. If I take the investments from January 2020 to March 2021, okay, you can see clearly on the screen that lump sum investment made in January reaches to 1,85,000 in March 2021. This is because it had first taken a dip until April and May, okay, and then it started rising again and came to this levels of 1,85,000. On the other hand, had you been investing in SIPs, that is, you invest the same amount ultimately, that is 1,50,000, but you invested via monthly SIPs, then yes, you could have made better returns here, that is 1,92,000. So you make about 7,000 rupees more if you had taken the SIP route. And yes, the return rate in percentage terms would look more because the difference is here you are investing everything at one shot, but here you are investing it step by step. So of course, when we calculate returns, that is also taken into consideration, and that's why your return number would look bigger. So yes, SIP does perform better than lump sum in a falling market scenario. That is, when you see this scenario that your Sensex level is at one level, then the market's correct, and then you again see a rise in markets. That is the scenario where your SIP will do better than lump sum. Of course, I've taken only one simulation over here. You can take multiple simulations, you can take data across various years, but you would see that broadly speaking, this holds true. Okay, so, and on the other hand, if I talk about rising markets, now I shift the investment period by 3 months. I just say instead of January, had we started in April, okay, so then I've just taken the amount as 1,20,000, which is 12 monthly SIPs. And now we are seeing that this 1,20,000 would have become 2,01,000 instead of SIP, where I would have say ended up making 1,53,000 only. So it's a whooping 48,000 approximately less as compared to lump sum. So in a rising market scenario, your lump sum has the potential to do better than the SIP, right? So yes, the interest rate might look similar, where you are saying that on 75%, if it is only 8% less, fine, doesn't really bother me much. But yes, look at the amount in absolute terms, that is in rupee terms, you are missing out on a lot. Okay? So just a graphical representation to make it simpler for you. So yes, your SIP would have risen just above the lump sum had it been in a falling market scenario. But in a rising market scenario, lump sum will tend to do better as compared to, your SIP investments. Okay. So yeah, this is Milan Komaria once again, and keep watching this space. I'll be coming up with more videos. Probably we'll be talking about asset allocation and the use of STP, which is another way to look at this. So STP is a midway between lump sum and SIP, and I'll talk about how you can utilize STP for your investments, probably in the next or the video to follow. Okay. So yeah, if you would like to conduct any investor awareness program, or you would like me to help you with a financial health checkup, you can be reached out on any of my handles. Okay, I'll be available to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep coming up with more. Thank you so much.